9:06. About to go get breakfast, and then we leaving at 9:40. This is, but I'm trying it. Look, y'all, they got ratatouille, pancakes, bacon, eggs. Ooh, this is our transportation. Hi. All right, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all this before I put it on. I got this off of Amazon. And it's a ring cover, so to protect my ring. Ring is good and protected. We going on the zip line, so I don't gotta worry about losing my ring or anything happening to it. We good. But yeah, y'all don't forget about the nails. Go back to this. My ring is good. I don't gotta worry about losing it. Alright, y'all, we just waiting to go. Look at that, man. He got on his dad's shoes. That's what we like to call them. Those is dad's shoes. I love those. Looking all good. Say hey, babe. Oh, Ziplining is up there. Literally moving the tree.
Z-I-R-R-I. And if you see it, it's hollow. The reason? It's because a bacteria, fungus, they attack the tree from there. Let's move a little forward because we have another people coming over there. Plus maybe the spider, lizard. I already saw a lizard somewhere over there. And a cricket, a bat, see? So many of things over there, but it's completely hollow. This one. Before you go in, because don't know if you guys want to go, we have to check.
Oh yeah.
Because you never know what we're gonna have. If
Como say that?
Murciélago. Can you say that?
Murciélago.
Murciélago. Correcto.
my fine ass husband. And then there's the waterfall too. How was it, babe? I'm sweating. We just came from, wasn't that like a hike? It was a hike tour throughout the jungle, the forest. Anyway, y'all seen that. And now we are about to get lunch, and then we're doing zip lining, which we can't record, so y'all won't see that, but I'm gonna show y'all this view. There's the volcano. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is right where we eating at. We just finished zip lining, y'all. It was, how did you like it? It was, it was fun. It's about to start raining, so we got done. Y'all, we are back at our hotel, and it is raining. Sitting on the balcony. The volcano completely disappeared because the rain, so it's very, very, like, you can kind of see, like, right there, that line. Other than that, baby, you can see it over here too, that line right there. Other than that, that thing gone, okay? But I'm just sitting out here. Devin right there inside. We waiting for maintenance to come back because when we got back to our room, I'm dead. When we got back to our room, we had a leak in the ceiling, so we had called them to come check it out. We don't know if it's because it's raining, like if it always do that when it rains here, or whatever the case may be, but we had to get it checked out because we ain't about to be having no flood in our room when we wake up. We had so much fun, y'all. We went zip lining. We did a tour through the rainforest, saw a few different things, went to the waterfall. We went on this sky tram. We was not allowed to bring our phones, just because they said a lot of people lose their phones when you do zip lining and stuff, and I don't want to lose my phone, so I was okay with leaving my phone in the locker. And then they took pictures of us and stuff, so we do got those pictures. Maybe I'll put some of those pictures up at the end of this video. But yeah, we had a really, 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 really good day. It was kind of long, very sweaty day. Cause we, like I said, we did basically like a hike, 2.5 hour long hike through the rainforest, and it was definitely an experience. I'm happy that we got to experience that. But yeah, I'm doing a lot of talking, so I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, so I just got out the shower. They finally told us that they fixed the leak, and they told us they'd switch our room if we wanted, but I'm like, if it's fixed, we could just stay in here, okay? So we're gonna just stay, and we're gonna go to the swim up bar, have dinner there. So no dressing up for me tonight, just swimsuit. But yeah, that's what we about to do. So I'm probably not gonna be recording much down there because I'm gonna be in the pool, but I'll show y'all this one. I just changed swimsuits that quick. I did not like that one. I mean, I like it, but I didn't like the way it was looking today, so I changed it to this one.